So the company Insta360 has kindly sent me out this free framing selfie stick which is compatible with the X5. So let's take it out the box and see what you get. Right, so that's everything outside the box. So first of all, we'll get the instructions manual here. This is going to show you how to fix it to the X5. Then we've got the actual free framing selfie stick itself. And then we've got the vertical and horizontal mount. And then when you've got the bracket attached to the X5, you can either mount it in the vertical or horizontal position. So let's take a closer look at the free framing selfie stick. Once again, it's very well made to the touch. So this has got a 630 milliamp battery, and you'll just charge it with the USB-C at the side there. So that's not going to take a long time to charge, but the main power is going to be coming from the X5. So always make sure that this is fully charged, because when it's connected, it's going to sync via Bluetooth. So like I said, it's going to be drawing power mainly from the X5. Then as you can see on the front here, we've got the scroll wheel with some buttons, and then there's just a trigger at the back. Again, stay tuned, I'm going to be explaining what all these do rather shortly. And underneath we've just got the 1/4 inch thread, and also these all pop out so it can extend into a tripod. Once again, that's going to be really handy for making some time lapses. Then they just all fold back in, as you can see. And then just at the top, it's an extendable selfie stick as well. And then like I've just said, we're going to be going through all these buttons and explaining what they do right now. So let's attach it to the X5, switch it on and see what it can do. Here we go. So I'm going to attach it in the vertical position, and what's handy about the magnetic mount here from 360, it can attach either way, as you can see. And that's great going forward, because on some previous models of the DJI camera, which is quite annoying, you can only get it one way, so I'm really pleased that that's either way. So now we've got the free framing selfie stick hooked up to the X5. Let's power it on. Right, so now the X5 is powered on. We'll do the same with the free framing selfie stick, and to do that, you'll just see a power button at the bottom. We'll just press and hold that for 2 seconds. When you let go, you can see the LED here. Now that LED is indicating the charging status of the free framing selfie stick. When that's circled all the way around, it's at 100%, and it's going to decrease 25% each quarter it goes around there. So as you can see, I've got 3 LEDs there, so that's indicating I've got 75% charge in the stick. So to enable all the functions on the free framing selfie stick, first of all we need to go into the Instaframe 2.0, into 360 mode there. Right, so now we've got power in both devices. We need to swipe down from the top, scroll across, hit the Bluetooth icon, and we want Bluetooth remote. So we'll just highlight that, and now it's going to be searching for it. And within a few seconds, you can see that we've found the free framing selfie stick. So we just want to highlight that, and straight away it's hooked up to it, as you can see. So we'll just hit the start icon. We've got the joystick there in the center, and that's going to be really responsive to adjust your composition. And then we've got the smart wheel to zoom. So you'll just scroll this scroll wheel here to zoom in and out. And then we've got the trigger on the back here, and you'll just push that once to lock on tracking, push it again to deactivate that tracking, and then double tap for perspective correction. And then as you've seen at the bottom, we've got that power button, so you're just going to press and hold that to turn it on, and then the same to turn it off. And then at the side, we've got the shutter button. That's going to come in handy taking pictures or video. And then we've got the function keys. So that's just the C mark there. You're going to tap that to 360 spin it, or double tap to barrel roll the camera. And then we've got the toggle key to the right. So that's just these 2 arrows. You're going to tap that to switch perspective, or double tap to change mode. And that's all the basic settings on the screen there. So we'll just hit done. And just before we have a closer look at it, one thing I forgot to mention is when you extend that selfie pole there, you can also angle it. There's just a little toggle there. You'll push that up and you'll be able to angle that back to you. So you've got that better perspective. And then that's going to be locked into place, as you can see. So to get it back to the normal position, flick that toggle up and it just snaps into place, and that's not going to move again. So now let's take a closer look at the free framing selfie stick while it's attached to the X5. So that button in the middle there, that's really responsive and you can navigate all the way around. And then we've got a scroll wheel on top. So we'll just scroll that to the right, keep it there. As you can see, it's slowly zooming in. And we're going to punch all the way back to the left, again keeping my finger on it, and that's going to slowly punch all the way back out. And then just on the left there, we've got the shutter button. So at the moment I'm in video mode, so that's just going to take a clip. That's very responsive. And you just press it again to stop recording. Once again, that's just as quick as if it was pressing the shutter button on the X5 itself. And then just at the bottom there, we've got the power button. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to press that. I don't want it powering off. And then if you push the C button just here, that's going to rotate the camera automatically 360 degrees. That's spinning it round all the way there. And then if you double tap the C button, we're going to do a barrel roll with the camera facing forward. So you just double tap that C button for that barrel roll. And then the button on the side there, just those two arrows, that's going to flip the screen round once I press it once. That's facing me. And then again to the front. And then when you double tap that icon, it just goes to the next shooting mode. And then finally we've got the trigger button at the back there, and we'll just press that once and that's going to lock on to the target, to the subject there. But obviously there's nothing in front, so I'll just flip the camera around to myself. I'll just push it once, but before I do, you can see there's a grey box around me, and that's not tracking me, that's just picking me up. So I'll press that once and you'll see a green box. Now wherever I move, that's going to be following me now. I've really tested this in depth. I've done an in-depth video with this Instaframe 2.0, and this subject tracking on the X5 is absolutely flawless. Go and check that out in my playlist. And then we'll just hit it one more time, and then that'll just take that green box away. Just pressed it right now, as you can see. And then while you've still got the X5 attached, you'll see in the top left, which I said at the beginning, I thought it were a watermark. You'll just hit that, and this is going to remind you basically what all the buttons do. So as you can see, what we've just covered, they're all listed there. And then you can see the icon there, installation. Now you want to select which way you're mounting your X5 to the free framing selfie stick. I've got it in the vertical mounting, so you have to highlight that. Now if you want it in the horizontal, you're going to have to select the horizontal mounting. And then just at the top here, this is the accessory support. So we've got the free framing selfie stick, the mini remote control, the first generation GPS preview remote, and then finally with the ring remote control. So that was just a short video today unboxing the free framing selfie stick, showing you how to attach it to the X5 and showing you what it can do briefly there. So going forward, when I'm using the X5, I think I'll be using this all the time, as it really is well made. It's a selfie stick after all, but now I've got that wireless option when using all the functions there. And like it shows you on the box, you can keep it in that vertical or horizontal position. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today, and if you're thinking of buying the free framing selfie stick by Insta360, I'll be leaving a link in the description, and there it'll send you straight to the Insta360 website where you'll be able to purchase it. So as always, do stay tuned to the channel, as there's going to be plenty more videos on the horizon. But for now, thanks for watching, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.